My favorite vehicle-to-grid V2G company, Nuvve, has finally completed its SPAC business combination and is trading under the ticker NVVE. I first talked about Nuvve in December. Be sure to check out that video if you haven't yet. A link is in the video description. As a SPAC, it hit a high of $22.74 in November and is now 43% off those highs, trading at $12.86. Is now a good time to buy? In this video, I'm going to share a massive update about Nuvve. I'm also going to give you an update on my EV Pure Play portfolio and let you know exactly how I'm investing in Nuvve. All this right after I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Learn to invest like a wolf at your own risk. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Wolves of Investing. My name is Donnie Nguyen and I'm the founder of Wolves of Investing. If you're new, my channel is primarily about investing in the stock market. If you want to learn how to achieve financial freedom through investing, be sure to click on that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't yet. And please remember to drop a like on this video if you enjoy it, as it truly helps out the channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What's got me so excited about Nuvve is that they recently partnered with Blue Bird and Cummins to deliver North America's first ever commercial application of vehicle-to-grid, or V2G technology in Peoria, Illinois. This is so exciting on many, many levels. First off, according to Nuvve's website, Blue Bird is the leading independent designer and manufacturer of school buses, with more than 550,000 buses sold since its formation in 1927, and approximately 180,000 buses in operation today. Blue Bird's longevity and reputation in the school bus industry have made it an iconic American brand. So for Nuvve to be partnering with such a reputable school bus manufacturer is just really awesome. Additionally, Blue Bird has more than 400 electric school buses already delivered or on order. So in my opinion, this gives Nuvve many more opportunities to deliver their V2G technology over the next 12 months and beyond. And if we head over to Cummins' website, they state that since July 2020, all Cummins-powered Blue Bird electric school buses have been V2G capable, which indicates the hardware for the technology has been installed on the bus. Cummins has since worked with green technology company Nuvve to develop and deploy the necessary software to be paired with compatible chargers. Starting mid-2021, all Blue Bird electric school buses delivered will be fully equipped with V2G hardware and software. Cummins-powered Blue Bird electric school buses already delivered with the V2G hardware will be receiving the V2G enabling software by the end of 2021. Why am I so excited about this news? You got to remember, one of Nuvve's founders, Professor Willett Kempton from the University of Delaware, is the inventor of V2G. Now, Nuvve just implemented the first ever commercial V2G application in North America. This is brand building at its best. Whenever Nuvve walks into a boardroom to make a deal, they can say that they have the inventor of V2G on their advisory team. They can say that they were the first ever to implement V2G in North America. Other companies can't say that. And it just doesn't sound as catchy to say that you were the second or third company to implement V2G in North America. It just doesn't have the same ring to it. So from a brand building perspective, this is extremely exciting news. Nuvve Nation, Wolves of Investing, show me how excited you are about this news and devour that like button. So even though I'm even more bullish now on Nuvve than I was in December, I still realize that this is an early stage company and in my opinion is still a high risk, high reward play. So because of that, I'm still keeping my position small. It's definitely less than 1% of my entire stock portfolio. I do own shares of Nuvi inside of my high-risk speculative portfolio. Plus, I also added Nuvi to my EV Pure Play portfolio. So let's jump on over to my EV Pure Play portfolio. For those of you who are new to my channel, my EV Pure Play portfolio is a highly concentrated portfolio of EV companies that I'm building on M1 Finance. And my goal is to invest at least $20,000 into this portfolio over the next 10 years. Right now, I'm just dollar cost averaging $50 a week into this portfolio. As you can see, the portfolio is currently down, which allows me to reap the full benefits of dollar cost averaging, which is one of my favorite ways to invest in stocks. My portfolio is led by Tesla, of course, leading the EV charge on many fronts. At number 2, we've got ArcLight Clean Transition SPAC, which is emerging with Proterra. At number 3 is Northern Genesis, which is merging with Lion Electric. Number 4 is SNPR, which is merging with Volta Charging. Number 5 is ChargePoint. Number 6 is QuantumScape. Number 7 is THCB, which is merging with Microvast. Number 8 is Nuvi. And number 9 is EV battery company Romeo Power. So I'm just going to keep on dollar cost averaging into this portfolio every week and slowly build up my position over the next several years. And the reason that I created a portfolio just for EV companies is that I strongly believe in the future of electric vehicles. EV penetration is less than 3% today and is expected to be over 25% by 2030. So in my opinion, by 2030, some of these companies' valuations will have gone through the roof. The valuations we're seeing in some of these companies today, as hyped up as they may seem, I think will be dwarfed by what they will be 10 years from now. So if you want more insights into my other portfolios, or if you just want to support the channel, check out my Patreon. For $5 a month, you get all of my buy and sell alerts from my Fidelity All-SPAC portfolio. There's also access to my private Patreon Discord. The Patreon Discord channels are inside of the free public Discord server, but they are completely separate and private from the rest of the public Discord. If you want more than just my buy and sell alerts, then I also have a higher tier where I share all of my holdings from that portfolio and 2 of my other long-term portfolios every month. I also release additional bonus content. And if you want to become a super alpha OG and get a shout out on one of my videos every month, I also have a tier for that. So be sure to check out my Patreon if you're interested. A link is in the video description. And as always, a huge thank you to the awesome patrons that have already joined. In addition to my Patreon, I also have a free public Discord. We have over 500 members. It is the most awesome community. Definitely my favorite place to talk SPACs and other stocks with other members of the community. Be sure to check it out if you're interested. A link to the free public Discord is also in the video description. All right, so let me know what you think about Nuvi. Drop me a line in the comments. Be sure to leave a like on this video before leaving. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.